Okay guys, in this tutorial we will going to learn how you can adjust the width of a column in Microsoft Excel. There are two possible ways of adjusting the width of the column or a row. If you go between the two columns, there is a line that separates them and it looks like a vertical line. As soon as you move your mouse over that line, your mouse changes to a two-side pull. This is where you can press and hold the left click and it shows you how wide the column is in pixels as well as the other unit. Now you can press and hold and you can move it, and as you can see, as you're moving it, it shows you how wide the column has become. This is one way of doing that. Another way of doing it is if you bring your mouse over the line that separates the two columns and simply double click. Double clicking will going to analyze that particular column and will look for the longest item in that column, and whatever is the width of that longest item, that will become the width of that column. So in this particular column, the longest item is part number. So as I double click, you will notice that the entire column changes its width to the width of the part number. Similarly, over here at the purchase date, if I double click on the line that separates G and H, it exactly does the same thing. Now, if I have multiple columns that all need to be auto-adjusted at the same time, for example, the column B, I'm going to press and hold the control key to select column C as well as column G. B and C, since they are right next to each other, can be selected using the shift as well. So I could actually press and hold shift and click on C because they're right next to each other. But since G is out of the sequence, I have to now hold control and then I can click G. So all these three columns are selected. So now if I double click on the line that separates B and C, you will notice all three of them automatically adjust. So all the columns, if there are multiple columns selected, you can just simply double click on the line that separates any two columns and all columns and selections will automatically adjust. So these are a few things that allow you to auto adjust a column. Very similar to increasing a column width, you can also increase a row width, like over here. And then you can simply select the whole row and you can apply formatting or whatever you would like to do with it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one.